There you go, primitive rain barrel. Um, you may recognize this thing. I had it. It was like version 1 of my, I don't even know what I called it, debris filter. This is just a garbage can, little overflow right here. And that is just a hose bib I stuck on there. And that hose goes around to, right now I just use a watering can to throw some water on the tariff garden. And I just put it on a couple of blocks. You can see we're right at about max level here. Let's see if we can do that. There you go. That's just the overflow. I think I need to make that a little bigger or get another barrel, but yeah, nice water. Now on the other end of this I put some screens so these guys, you see a million of them flying around, can't fly in there and set up shop. And for this thing I just cut a hole in the lid, quick and dirty. There you go. Thanks for watching.